Hey guys, today we're gonna take a look at this hit paw, video enhancer, and colorizer. Well, what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna go with a colorizer first, because that is one of my main interests on this one. And we can check the enhancer too, but it will enhance and colorize for us today. And for the beauty of this, I have footage that has been taken recently in 1898 New York City. So now I'm gonna give it the hardest task, because my main interest, as I said, is only the colorizing part of it. Stabilizers know that, most of the video softwares, they have that, but this is the video. It's part of the National Archive and all that, so we don't run into any trouble. It's quite a few years ago that this video was taken, and now we are gonna try to enhance and colorize this footage. And we will take a look. General denoise model, it has some noise on it. Let's see what it can do with a denoise. For example, let me hit preview effect first and see what it does, if it even loads it. And looks like it did quite a great job. If you notice here, it actually did a good job with a denoise. So first we have to denoise it, then we have to try to colorize it. The colorization is here, but we're gonna go with general denoise. I'm gonna put it back to 720 because that's the maximum I want to go with it. And I'm just gonna throw it on the desktop, and I'm gonna do denoised. Okay, and I'm gonna select desktop. I'm gonna hit here, and it will take a few minutes depending on the video, depending on what you're giving it as a task to do. And we will be back when this is done. And as you see, this is where our percentage is going on, and it looks like it will take a million years, so we'll just give it its time. Okay, so it looks like the video just finished denoising the model, and we will exit from here. We have it right here. That's the denoised, which looks pretty good, I would say, compared to the other one. I think I would be happy with this one. Let me put the other version, or the original that we took from. This is the as you see, this is the original version right here, and it's okay. And this is the denoised version that we just made right now. I see how it kind of took some of those particles. There's still gonna be particles, but the jacket looks sharper, the wheels look sharper, the building is a little bit sharper. So now we're gonna get rid of this one right here, and we're gonna drop the one we denoised already now, and we're gonna go for colorization or colorize. And I'm gonna leave it at 720 again. I'm gonna leave it at MP4. Let's see if it's gonna give us a preview really quick. And oh yeah, it's gonna look good, looks like. Okay, so we are not gonna waste more time. As you see, it's easy to tell what's happening here. As you see, this is a preview of what we are about to see. Now, if you want to do it better, you can do it twice. But for the purposes of this video, I'm just gonna hit export. I'm gonna select desktop, and we're gonna let it go and do its thing here, colorizing this footage, and we'll get back to you guys when it's done. Okay, and the colorization just finished doing its thing, and we're gonna take a look now at the colored one right here, and it actually looks really good. But to make it even better, I would put it through the colorization again and see what happens. So since we're here, I'm gonna put it through colorization again. Let me get rid of this file that we already have. This is the new colorized one. Okay, let's see on preview. What does it say? Okay, I think this would actually be really nice. I'm not sure if you guys can tell the difference, but there is a difference here. If you see the her dress, his suit, the background looks a little bit better on the generated denoise model, but we are not doing denoise. We're gonna go to colorize again, because denoise had some difference, but not really something that I would say I see the difference. Let me hit preview again and see on trying to recolorize, will it do anything? I'm having a hard time seeing the difference here. In reality, I don't see the difference. You guys tell me if you see the difference here. And now I'm gonna put them side by side, original, and the second will be the enhanced one or denoised one, and the third will be the colorized one. And you guys tell me what you think of this software. And yes, again, this software is the HitPaw video enhancer. Now you can do animation models, you know, for animated stuff. You can redo them and clean them. Face models, if there's a close shot of a face that you might have a problem with it, and it will clear the facial features in portraits and kind of try to repair the noise and all that. But in general, in my opinion, it does the job. Now, don't expect it to do extremely great, because there are other software that are highly specialized for this purpose only, and they cost a lot of money. This one costs a little bit of money, but not extremely expensive, especially if you just want to test around and maybe get footage that you had from your family, convert it from VHS to digital, and you want to give it a new life. I think it's worth a shot. As you see here, it looks good. I would say I am really pleased with how it looks, and it took care of a lot of that kind of blurriness it had or noise it had, and it just makes it overall look better. As you see, there's colors now, and you guys tell me if you think that I'm not seeing something that you guys might be seeing. And with that said, I hope you enjoyed that video. And yes, the software is called HitPaw Video Enhancer, HITPAW. Please like and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Bye.